Next we have to discuss about carotid sheath. This is very important short notes question. What is carotid sheath? See, carotid sheath, it is the fascial sheath which is covering the carotid system and internal jugular vein along with vagus nerve, right? So if you take the carotid sheath, see here, this is the carotid sheath. Anterior layer of carotid sheath is formed by what? Pretracheal layer. Posterior layer of carotid sheath is formed by prevertebral layer, right? And from where to where it is extending? It is extending from the base of the skull to the arch of aorta, because carotid system will be arising from the arch of aorta only. Of course, in case of right side, it is taking origin from the brachiocephalic. Still, brachiocephalic trunk will be taking origin from the arch of aorta only. So, this carotid sheath extending from the base of the skull to the arch of aorta, right? So, if you take, this is the sheath, this is the carotid sheath. Then, what are the contents which are present in it? In case of lower part, common carotid artery. After that, only internal carotid artery will be present. External carotid artery will be piercing the carotid sheath and it comes out. So, here is the external carotid artery. Then, internal carotid artery will be present within it. Along with this, any other structures are present? Yes, two important structures. Those are vein. Which vein is this? Internal jugular vein. In between the carotid system and the internal jugular venous system, there will be nerve. See here, I have drawn here posteriorly, and in between these two, there is vagus nerve. These are the contents of carotid sheath. Very simple. Carotid sheath, from where to where it is extending? It is extending from the base of the skull to the arch of aorta. Formation, anterior layer is formed by pretracheal layer, posterior layer is formed by prevertebral layer. Contents. Here, common carotid artery and internal carotid artery, internal jugular vein, vagus nerve, right? Along with that, still more you have to write. What are the structures which are piercing the carotid sheath? Actually, some structures are piercing the carotid sheath. One structure we know, external carotid artery has been pierced and came out. Then, tributaries of internal jugular vein. So, tributaries of internal jugular vein, they pierces the carotid sheath and opens into internal jugular vein, right? Then, branches of, what is this? Vagus nerve. Branches of vagus nerve. 9th cranial nerve, glossopharyngeal nerve, then 10th already is there, 11th cranial nerve, 12th cranial nerve. These structures also will pierce the carotid sheath, and it is related anteriorly with the ansa cervicalis, posteriorly with the sympathetic chain, right? So, this is about the carotid sheath.